If in the past you've had a relationship with your loved one where you would speak pretty frequently, but then one day that communication stops or it's prevented because of someone else. Could be a brother, could be a home healthcare aide, but for whatever reason, that line of communication is prevented. That's a sign of undue influence. It's a sign that someone is trying to take advantage of your loved one, trying to coerce them. It's one of the things that we look for in undue influence cases.
Undue influence universally happens when you have a person who's never been around, never helped out, never had much to do with their relative. But all of a sudden, when someone gets old and frail, they're right there. They're right there, and they're not there to help out. They're there to help themselves. That's what undue influence is every single time. I've seen it for 27 years. In about 3 minutes, I can tell you exactly whether the conduct is influence or undue influence.
Many times when a loved one creates a will that wasn't what they had originally intended. Maybe it doesn't include someone they intended to include. Maybe it doesn't include you when it should. And it was done because someone else had taken over, had controlled your loved one's mind to such an extent that the will or trust that they signed just wasn't what they wanted to do. That's when a will is subject to an undue influence claim. It's subject to being contested. And that's where we come in. Our firm can help you with those types of cases to make sure that your loved one's intention, what they really truly wanted to happen when they passed, happens.